IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Good morning, Idol John. Kami.
Yes, good morning, Idol Bernard. Na idasar iti Sangguniang Pandansod iti Siyudad Dilawag. Iya may sa resolusyon amang gutigot iti lokal na gobyerno amang ipaay kadagiti pagpasuraan ng nangrunano at dadagiti pasken. Karaman dito'y kanayon apan ang palagip kadagiti masagnan iti panamagdaldalos, posible amulta ken panakaada ti grupo amang dalos iti aglawlaw. Kaitikit iti City Resolution number SP 2025-024, a resolution is strongly urging the city government of Laoag to provide sufficient waste disposal container or bins during city-sponsored program or events, a courteous reminder by the Master of Ceremonies to the spectators of the observance of cleanliness at all times and the penalty imposed for littering provided under City Ordinance number 2024-034, as well as the designation of an ample roving and cleanup team to maintain cleanliness during the subsequent thereat. In the Sardaytoy, ni Sangguniang Pandansod member John Michael Parinas, Kasignay, itinapasamak apan nakaiwara, dagiti basbasura, kadagiti naglabas na aktibidad iti syudad. Kasi man iti apan ang ipresentar na iti Sangguniang Pandansod.
The media, to the visitors, all of us, happy Pamulinawen Festival. Before I start to present this proposed resolution, Mr. Chairman, I'd like to say a few words. I think all of us here have seen the pictures that were posted online, those that were shared. And these pictures depicts the aftermath of what has happened after the two activities during the first day of the Pamulinawen Festival. May I put on record, Mr. Chairman, or before that, Mr. Chairman, this was actually answered already by the city tourism head, and he said that indeed they cleaned the area and they first started on the streets instead of the other places, so as to prevent any traffic commotion, Mr. Chairman, and that a woman was presented. And she said that she cleaned the Capitol grounds, according to her, and she was helped by the security guard. May I put on record, Mr. Chairman, that this proposal, this suggestion, is not a form of pointing fingers to anyone, Mr. Chairman. This is not a way of knowing who was right or wrong, Mr. Chairman. This is a way of the 12th Sangguniang Panlungsod to help the city government of Laoag when it comes to programs and activities, that it be successful aesthetically, and also while making sure that we maintain cleanliness, orderliness, and indeed for the programs and activities to prevail, Mr. Chairman. And also a gentle reminder to the people. So on second reading, Mr. Chairman, is draft city resolution number SP 2025-024. A resolution strongly urging the city government of Laoag to provide sufficient waste disposal containers or bins during a city-sponsored program or event. A courteous reminder by the Master of Ceremonies to the spectators of the observance of cleanliness at all times and the penalty imposed for littering provided under City Ordinance 2024-034, as well as the designation of an ample roving and cleanup team to maintain cleanliness during and subsequent thereat. Under the 1987 Constitution, it guarantees that the state shall promote the right to health and the protection and advancement of the right of the people to a balanced and healthful ecology. Under RA 9003, which is the Bible when it comes to protecting the environment, it provides a systematic, comprehensive, and ecological solid waste management program in the country. Under the Local Government Code, which is the General Welfare Clause, all local government units are given the power and authority to promote the welfare within its territorial jurisdiction,
Correct.
including health and safety. Under City Ordinance 2024-034, which was passed by this August body last December 3, 2024, during the 119th regular session, it provides for the penalties when it comes to littering, Mr. Chairman. There's first offense is 1,000 pesos or imprisonment of 5 days, or both fine and imprisonment depending upon the discretion of the court. And there is the second as well as third and subsequent offenses that are stated in the said ordinance, Mr. Chairman. City-sponsored programs or events such as the month-long celebration of the Pambolina Event Festival and its Charter Day, to name a few, bring an influx of spectators, of locals and tourists combined, thereby faced with the risk of litter scattered all over the venue and nearby places. It is incumbent upon the city government of Laoag to be proactive and ensure that these programs or events should not only be aesthetically enjoyable and memorable, but must also be a template or a model of cleanliness and orderliness worthy of emulation by small-scale programs within the locality. This resolution will also be known as the City of Laoag Environmental Awareness and Neatness on Sponsored Programs and Events Resolution, or CEAN version. I am now ready for interpellation, Mr. Chair.
Paset, panangdasara ni Sangguniang Panlansod Member
Perfect.
Michael Fariñas.
Perfect. Idol John, awan makunak. At ni Apo Konsyal John Michael Fariñas, dumdumngig pa dito yung IFM. Halos every day. And same thoughts, same... kita ay mahang ko pa nangig dating press conference na dating statement na Idol John hanggang kapada kami, di ba? As I've told you earlier, this is already mandated under the DILG, yeah, di ba? Nang Local Government Code of 1991. No? Same, agpada kami. Agpada kami pwede komento nga masapol nga the beans. Agpada kami pwede komento nga masapol nga mailaw-lawag babaen iti mikropono, maipalagip kadakwada, and at the same time, clean as you go. Diba? Napakasimple lang yan. And these are the basic form of discipline kada tayo amin anaman yan ta kwarto tayo, yan ta balay tayo, no, after tayo nga mangan dalusan tayo dahil kita nanganan tayo kada isang aminin, simple kasi lang sakbay mo nga panawan nga dete ada kami dete ugali ni Pilipino na duma malpas nga mangan itambak dahil pangananda nga men Idol John. Iyon doon nagkakaroon ng problema, doon nagkakaroon ng sakit, doon nagkakaroon ng eyesore, doon nagsisimula ang hindi pagkakaintindihan ng magkapamilya. Kapula ang kadigiti tambak a basura. Ayun. So at least ang ano niya, napaka-formal and at the same time maganda ang approach ng ating konsehal. Tama?
Idol Bernard.
Despite of all the colors, political colors or whatsoever nga mapaspasama ka dito agong daway, adapay lang gayam nga agrice nga nalaing nga konsehal nga makaawat ka digitoy. Kasi kumaat pa nagawat da, tadi kedi nga agsisinumbat da Idol Joan.
One nga rod, Idol Bernard.
Ang galing. Resolution nga dagos, ganon. And in aid of legislation para maipatupad at hindi pointing fingers nga ni Kasto ni Kasto ito makinaramid ni Kasto isikat makinsangwanan kada tanada ka matabasura kada piduti mo na saan ka di ito dumpay lang hindi karuba kita adalang aro din tas sangwana mon kit sikalang aro din tinagiwara sino agpidot karubam dalusan na arubayan na di ba napaka basic hang ka di. Yun lang yun. Yun yung point din ng ating good gentleman, our Councilor John Michael Fariñas. Nakapimpintas. That's it. Wala nang wala nang pasikot-sikot pa. Doon siya nakafocus sa problema. And he himself has a solution of that. Right? May problema na nga, problema pa lang yung itatackle mo. Hindi na find a solution to that problem. Be a solution, not a problem. Tama?
Idol Bernard.
Okay, go ahead, Idol Joan.
Damag iti syudad ti Laoag, kadwa iti 99.5 Basin Laoag, Idol John, in the